Welcome to a new video, and I bet you're wondering why with the Supra in the title you're looking at the back of the Honda. Well, just got delivered a new huge new upgrade for the Supra. Took about 6 weeks to get these made. Brand new set, BC Forged wheels and tires for the Supra. Ooh, I'm dying to look at them. I peeked in this one. But I got two fronts and two rears, different size. I'm going to get these unloaded from the truck, get them on the floor, and we'll do an unboxing and an unveiling of these wheels. Stay tuned. Alright guys, time to do some unboxing from BC Forged. Like I was saying, I got new tires for the Supra, wheels and tires. I went with the MLE81s and a 19-inch. I did, I'll put all the specs below because I'll probably spit them off wrong. This is one of the front ones. And, they are packaged extremely well. And here comes. I want to take that off screen and bring it up. There's the meat. Let me make sure that this is showing up on the camera here. It is. So this is one of the fronts. I did a polished step lip, black hardware, brushed face cleared, silver TPMS sensors. I did the Michelin 275/30 19s for the rear, and these are the Pilot Sport S's, T4S. And you can see that's a 275. And I've got a lot of wheels and tires delivered over the years from different places. This is directly from the manufacturer, and usually whenever I've got tires, they're all coated in all the mounting goo, and I mean they really clean these things up to make that first impression really nice. So I'm gonna put this one down, open the fronts, the backs. Not that the backs are really any different from the fronts, except that they are 11-inch wide with a lot more meat on the tire. Since it is a rear-wheel drive car. Once again, lots of great packing. Oh my God. Whew. All right. Take this. Get that out of the way. Oh, there you go. Oh man. All right, let's make sure that's in camera focus there. It is. So, for the backs, the meat and potatoes. Of course, same brand of tire, Michelin Pilot. These are 305/30 19s, and it's an 11-inch wide rim. Same setup, but this does a double step lip, a little more deep dish for the back. But look at that. I've never had a tire that wide in my life. I will do, for comparison, I will weigh these so we know how much they weigh. But I do know the stock back tires, 19s, same brand of tire I think, are very similar. They're Michelins, but they might not be the exact same one. But that's 275. And the new fronts are 275, so I'll be able to weigh the difference between them. They're going to be a very similar setup. So we can see if we're going to increase or decrease in weight. Now, and then I'll weigh this one so we can have a comparison shot. But boy, that is really not as heavy as expected. These are extremely nice wheels made by BC Forged. Little balancing weights here, but man, that's hidden hardware, even hidden weights. This is a nice, all clear coated, brushed inside. Before I mount these up, I'll do it off camera, but I'm going to put a coat of wax on these to keep them nice. But man, that's beautiful. So I'll get the other ones unboxed, and I have to put them on the car, and then I'll do the big reveal of them on the Supra. So stay tuned. Right now would be a good time to hit that like and subscribe button. Well, folks, that's the big reveal of the BC Forged wheels on the new Supra. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button. I really appreciate any feedback, and I'll try to get back to any comments. Have a good day. Thanks.